Hello everybody, this is the Russian Fazbear, and today I'm going to be making a video of this new ceiling fan I've recently acquired. It's a Hunter Summer Breeze, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it's an older version of a Summer Breeze. It's from February of '87. It's got the Hunter tag, like 80s Hunter fans have. Non-reversible blades. I believe that black. I believe that finish is either walnut or cherry. Flush mounted. There's the top. Hunter on the switch cap. It's got this nice little pendant to it. It's 4 blades. I believe it's around 48 inches. Anyway, so I'll start it up. Start with high as opposed to low, which is what I usually start with. Got this at the Habitat store about 2 weeks ago. I installed it a few days ago. Medium. Low. And off. So that is just about it for this new fan I have. Once again, I'm not 100% sure that it's a Summer Breeze, but I think it's an older Summer Breeze from, the 80s. Stop it. And there's another look at it. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. The Russian Fazbear, out.